Behind me is our brand new demonstrator. It's got the Atek pop top roof and it's based on option 2 model, which is the 2 travelling seats and 2 rear seats as well. Now there's one special feature inside what I'm dying to show you. So here it is. It's a much awaited shower. We've listened to what our customers have said, and some customers really do want a shower. So we've made one. Now we've made it fit in the same space the toilet did. So it's got a bifold door, which is lovely. You don't have to squeeze past it. It still works the same way. When we shut that, it gives you some privacy for when you're using the toilet. But here's where the magic is. It really is special because it's a fully fiberglass mould in there. There's no chance of it leaking. There's no silicone seams to let water ingress. It really is a purpose-made fiberglass shell, and with a really strong shower tray in the bottom. You've got a screen door here. So when you're inside a shower, which I'll show you in a second, you don't use this door, you use this fully waterproof screen shower door. Now, you've got a shower in this corner, you've got hooks all around. Now, there's even a shelf at the back here where you can sit. So you can sit down there and shower while seated, which is a real plus bonus. And here on this side, there's a ledge to put all your bits and bobs while you are getting changed, showered and so on. Now we've got some suction cup hooks on this side, and on this side what it really wants is, which I'm going to put on, is some nice hanging baskets to put all your shampoos, shower gels in, things like that. So you can, you can make it your own and make it really work. Now how do you use the toilet? So the toilet is in here, and because we didn't want to ruin the footprint of a shower, because it's virtually the same footprint, it comes out a little bit wider to give you a bit more space. But in essence, it is the same as just a toilet version. And don't forget, you can either have this shower version, or you can have the traditional, the original, just toilet version. And in here is a portable toilet, and you just sit on that as normal. Your feet go into this way, just like it did before, and your privacy door goes across there. But when you want to use it as a shower, rather than making the shower twice as big, what we've done is you just lift the toilet out of the way, pop that over there somewhere, and then you've got a fully open shower. Now, look at the space. I can physically turn around with my elbows out. It's a really strong shower tray, like I say. It's got 2 outlets in there, so even if a van's on a tilt, then you've got a shower outlet at the front and you've got a shower outlet at the back, depending on what angle you're on. When you're in the shower, you can simply slide that door across, and you can see the quality straight away. It really is a perfect shower. It works really well. You've got your shower hose in it over here with your control at the back. Now, even if you just want to use it as a drying room, we've got a vent back in this back corner. So when you put your heating on, this will warm up lovely and it will dry lots of things for you. On the front, we've got a light switch, and we've got a vent as well. So with this being the Atek pop top on here, we can't vent through a roof, so we've had to vent through the back wall. Usually if it was just a traditional van with no Atek on, then you would have a nice round push-up vent with a light built into it in the center, and that will extract all the moisture out of the van while you're showering. But this one just sucks it out of the side of the van. So what a great space it really is. Like I say, once you're standing there, you can really appreciate the quality of the mould, how it works, and how useful it really is. So if you want to see the new shower or the Atek roof, why not book a workshop tour and come and see them for yourself.